Alright everyone, we are here again, another video. Today we are going to about the GenAI roadmap with nodes and using LangChain. Okay, you know about that LangChain. Here is the LangChain website. You can hear the introduction LangChain and here everything document you can learn here. So let's go first. Dive into the LangChain roadmap beginner. So here you go and you find the roadmap. I hope you can use this. And YouTube chatbot using LangChain. Here the project and day 1, and here's a mistake, maybe GitHub. So here's the day 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. Okay, now go to the roadmap. It's comprehensive roadmap resource. Also I share with the resource, and here is all my notes, and you can check this. If you don't follow anything, you can check this roadmap. Here is the overview, GenAI roadmap, LangChain integrated, and top resource getting started, project structure, example, contribution, and license, whatever. Overview. Here the overview stack from week 1, week 2 and 4. You need to learn machine learning. Without machine learning you can do it better way. So I think you should need to understand that if you're already machine learning engineer, so it maybe help you more. Okay, then LLM, deep learning, LLM, generative AI model. Here the GPT Bard is called now Gemini. I changed this name. Gemini. Bard is not anyone still that. GPT-2, GPT-3, GPT-5, and also GPT-4, 5, whatever. Multimodal, fine tuning, and LangChain mastery. Week 1 basic. LangChain memory, prompt engineer with LangChain. Advanced LangChain features, document also I share. The RAG is the most powerful. Applied GenAI project. Here the project, you should need to do that. And production and development. Here the production and development site, API, and LangChain integration. Here the building complex resourcing chain. Officially document for LangChain. Book, if you want to learn about the book, and here the course if you want to learn with course, and here the tutorial. Also YouTube channel, you can learn there. And research paper, ChatGPT, brag paper, and here some project structure. An example basic that how you can use this is Python code and rack based code. Okay, and here's the end. I hope you like this video. I want to end this, and you feel like this repo, get it to start. So goodbye today, see you again another video. So bye.